perspectives become distorted. The past can change places with the future. And the present can become lost.
I was Albert Einstein's mind. I was Italy's fine wine. I was working with God when he defined time. I was there when the guns first let off. There when they cut King Charles' head off. There when the CIA bottled the crack. And the tragedy and triumph for Geronimo Pratt. Punch a faggot till his nose bleed heavy. Dead or more than I escape in green Chevy. I murk your wisdom, spit a dart at you to hurt your vision. Put you in the worst position in a Turkish prison. Yeah, and my intention is to waste y'all and cover your body with stitches like a baseball. I'm fucking Layshaw with the word of the sword and leave you bleeding in the ditch while you serving the Lord. You deserve to be mauled by an army of bees. Just another faggot dead in his army fatigues. Your religion and its uselessness. Your propaganda is more wickeder than Lucifer's. Islamic scientists predicted the computer chip. I spit a rap at you to rock you like Medusa's lips. These fucking dudes are sick, and y'all can see that. They y'all are my sons like Ibrahim and Ishaq.